Imagine a community of like-minded individuals who inspire you, uplift you, and remind you that you're not alone. Sounds powerful, right? This video will give you the tools and strategies to find that tribe online and build a support system that helps you thrive in every part of your life. A while ago, I felt super disconnected. I was surrounded by people, but none of the conversations really meant anything. You know that feeling? Like everyone's talking, but no one's really listening? Then I joined a small online group around a shared passion, and boom, it changed everything. For the first time, I felt heard, encouraged, understood. Surface-level chats are easy, but they're not fulfilling. If you want real connection, you've got to be willing to engage meaningfully. Ask real questions, share your story, show up consistently. That's how people start to care. Trust doesn't come from perfectly curated posts. It comes from being human. Talk about the highs and the lows. Celebrate others. Share your wins and your struggles. That's how bonds form, through shared experiences and real communication. And once you find that group, participate, comment, support others. Don't just scroll, connect. Because when you invest in others, they invest back. That's how a group turns into a community. So if you've been craving deeper connection, it's out there. You just have to show up, be real, and give what you hope to receive. Find your tribe and let them remind you just how much you belong.